For today's art activity, we're going to stamp the circles for the donuts. I'm going to start by painting one side of my pool noodle. I'm going to put the paint on the circle. Once you have created an even layer of paint on the circle, firmly press it down and then pull it straight up. Be careful it does not slide around. If you decide you want to switch colors, please make sure you wash your brush before you switch colors. Create an irregular pattern of circles scattered across your paper, almost like sprinkles. This will help to create rhythm and movement in our art. I am now going to create a shadow for my donut. I am going to paint an eyebrow and a beard. On the inner circle, I'm going to create a curved line across the top part of the circle, and on the outer circle, a curved line on just the bottom half of the donut. So you can see it kind of looks like an eyebrow and a beard. So add that detail to your donuts. The next step is to use puffy paint. Be careful with the puffy paint. It is permanent. You can practice on your messy mat if you need to. Squeeze the bottle and create your pattern. Sometimes there's air bubbles. If you get an air bubble, it'll be okay. Use a variety of patterns on your designs for your donuts. Maybe do one with stripes, one with polka dots, one with a wavy line. Be creative and come up with some fun looking decorations for your donut art. Remember that these puffy paints are permanent. Please be careful with your arms as you are using them, that you don't smudge the paint. If you have on long sleeves, make sure you roll up your sleeves before you start working. When you are done with the puffy paint, please make sure that you put the cap all the way back on the puffy paint. Share the colors. There's only a couple of each, so please make sure you are sharing as you are working. I am now going back and making my pattern more complex by adding polka dots inside of my wavy line. This helps to create more visual interest in my art. Take your time, do your best work. Remember, craftsmanship counts. That means doing it nice and neat. That looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and clean up, put my materials away, and I am all done for today.